if I told you there is a 100% free opportunity funded by Amazon Web Services to get certified in generative AI and even in a full paid nano degree from Udacity. No experience, no cost, and open worldwide. Let me show you how. The AWS AI and ML Scholars Program is a global scholarship initiative by Amazon Web Services and Udacity. It's designed to empower 5,000 learners with free foundational knowledge in artificial intelligence and machine learning using real-world tools like AWS PartyRock. And the best part, if you are among the top 1,500, you move on to earn a free nano degree in AI. Here is how to get started in just 3 steps. Apply between May 28 and 1st August 2025. Once accepted, you will begin with the Introduction to Generative AI with AWS, a 20-hour course that teaches AI fundamentals, prompt engineering, and hands-on app building using AWS PartyRock. Step 2. After finishing the course, you earn a digital certificate and AWS Educate badge. Then take a short technical assessment to qualify for the nano degree phase. Then 3. The top 1,500 learners will be selected for the nano degree program starting August 25th to November 25th, 2025. You will learn job-ready AI skills with mentorship, projects, and career support, all at zero cost. You will explore cutting-edge tools like AWS PartyRock, Amazon SageMaker, Amazon Bedrock, and build AI-powered apps without writing a code. Plus, you learn Python, Transformers, RAG, and more depending on the track you choose. Here are some answers to some of the most asked questions. Do I need a coding experience? No. This program is entirely beginner friendly. Is it really free? Yes. Fully funded by AWS. Do I get a certificate? Yes. After completing the challenge phase. This is your chance to break into the world of AI completely free. Start now before application closes on August 1st. Don't miss out. This is where you apply for the free Introduction to Generative AI with AWS. So over here you can see where the program is estimated 2 months and you build 2 projects, and it's a full program, so I can start my application. But first of all, click on start application, and here is where you will ask some questions which you need to submit. Yes, the program is for those who are of 18 and older. Select your country of residence. Select my country. Are you currently a student? Yes. What program? Please provide your phone number. So most times when I fill form like this, ChatGPT comes to my read queue. So go to my ChatGPT for those that will be thinking on how. So ChatGPT has some of my prompts and my history over here. I'll just copy all of this information on this page, go over to ChatGPT and paste it, press enter. It's gonna get some solutions for me. Okay, so this is the question it gives. I hope to acquire new skills and build generative AI. I'll copy this, copy, go over here, paste it. Have you a limited access to this? I'll click on sure. And which nano degree aspect will you be pursuing? Based on my history, ChatGPT has for me, okay, say yes, I should choose this and this. So I'll copy this, go over to this, say yes, and paste yes. Then over here, it's asking nano degree. What degree track will look like to chase? If you are awarded nano degree, go back here. You have AWS AI Scientist, AWS Business Intelligence Engineer, and AWS AI Engineer. So with all this, I'll prefer selecting AI Engineer, and then the terms and conditions I'll accept. If you have any question, how do you hear about them? Send me an email, and if there is any other one, there's none. So in the absence of none, I'll click on submit, and you can see congratulations, I've been enrolled into the program and I can start learning right away. So for instance, those that may have challenge, you need to create an account with Udacity, and here is my course. I can start right away. This is a project I'll build. This is other project I'll build, a PartyRock. So just start right away, and you can see the course here. Getting started. You can actually dismiss AI. This is the video.
Welcome to Udacity. My name is Sebastian Thwan. I'm the founder of Udacity.
Alright, so you can start your course and go all the way to the last part. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment below or questions and answer, and we'll respond to you promptly. Thank you. See you next time.